In today's video, I'm going to be giving my honest review on Printify so that you know if it's worth you using it. In this video, we're going to be looking at the price, the standout features, as well as some of the pros and cons. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. If you haven't actually tried out Printify yet, I will leave a link in the video description down below. And if you click that link, that'll take you straight to the page where you can sign up and create an account. So if you don't know what Printify is, it's a leading print-on-demand service that allows businesses and individuals to create custom designs and have them printed on a variety of products. These products range from clothing and accessories to home decor and more. The platform integrates with popular content management systems and online marketplaces, making it easy for users to sell their custom products. So in terms of the price, they actually have 3 plans, and you can choose to pay either monthly or yearly. And if you do pay yearly, you'll save 14%. But their first plan is actually free, and this allows up to 5 stores per account and unlimited product design. This can be great if you're looking to start a business and you're just trying to test things out to see how it goes. Next up's the premium plan, and this is $25 a month billed annually, and you get 10 stores per account, unlimited product designs, and you also get up to a 20% discount on all products. And if you are getting a decent amount of sales, that 20% discount on all products is going to save you a lot of money. And finally, there's the enterprise plan, and this actually has custom pricing. If you're getting tons of sales for your print-on-demand business, this plan is going to be the best for you, and you're going to have to talk to the team to find out the price, as well as what they can actually offer you and help you with. So now we can move on to some of their standout features. And one of them is Printify Express Delivery. And this allows you to get your merchandise to customers in just 2 to 3 business days. However, this is only available for selected products in mainland US. However, it is still really useful and it's going to keep your customers happy. Another cool feature that they have is you can move your existing merchandise business over to Printify. All you have to do is fill out this form and submit it to them, and you'll get free product migration assistance, 3-month rebate on the migrated products after surpassing a minimum sales volume, and a dedicated account manager when you surpass a certain sales volume to help you grow your business even more. Now in terms of Printify's pros, one of them is the large product catalogue. They actually offer a wide range of products for you to customise, and this allows you to cater to a diverse audience and offer a variety of items in your store. They have products from clothing, to candles, to cases, to even journals, so it really gives you tons of options of what you want to do with your print-on-demand business. They also have tons of easy integrations, and this makes it a lot easier for you to manage your online store no matter where it is you're selling. In terms of the cons, one of them would be the lack of custom branded packaging. As you can see, they have custom branding for package inserts, neck labels, as well as gift messages, which is great, but the lack of custom branded packaging might be a drawback if you're looking to enhance your brand presence through packaging. Another con could be the varying product quality. Since Printify works with various print providers, the quality of products can vary, so it is important that you choose your print providers carefully. So is Printify actually worth using? Whether Printify is worth using or not will largely depend on your specific needs and circumstances. If you're looking for a print-on-demand service with a large product catalogue, easy integration with popular platforms, and the freedom to choose your own print providers, Printify could be a great choice. However, there are some potential drawbacks to consider, such as the lack of custom branded packaging. So it's important to weigh these pros and cons against your business needs. I recommend you try out the service first, and that will give you the best insight into whether Printify is the best fit for you. As I said earlier, I will include a link in the video description, and if you click on that and sign up, you'll be able to try out Printify for free. So this has been my honest review of Printify. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say I helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.